Viewers, this is Golden Star School Timapur. We conduct here GK quiz competition between 7th and 8th students. यहाँ पर 10 राउंड किए जाएंगे। टीम ए से शुरुआत होगी, टीम ए और टीम बी, टीम सी, और ये है डी, और ये है ई, और ये एफ। यहाँ पर हम 10 राउंड मुकम्मल करेंगे। जो टीम सबसे ज़्यादा नंबर से जीतेगी, अच्छे अंदाज में जीतेगी, वो इनाम के हकदार होगी। चलिए हम यहाँ पे शुरू करते हैं अपना क्विज कॉम्पिटिशन। और सलाम, लेट मी स्टार्ट। और क्वेश्चन फॉर टीम ए, वो कौन सा मुल्क है जिसको नबियों की सरजमीन कहते हैं?
मिस्र।
गलत जवाब। अगला चीज, नेक्स्ट चीज फॉर टीम बी। The question: who was the first person to land on moon? For team B.
Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on moon.
Very good. Next question for team C, and the question is: which is the biggest planet in the solar system?
Jupiter is the biggest planet in solar system.
बहुत अच्छे, बिल्कुल सही जवाब। हेलो, बिल्कुल सही जवाब। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टीम डी, एंड द क्वेश्चन इज: इंसानी मुर्दे का वजन कितना होता है? सवाल दोबारा सुनिए। इंसानी मुर्दे का वजन कितना होता है?
इंसानी गुर्दे का वजन 125 ग्राम होता है।
बिल्कुल सही जवाब। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टीम ई, एंड द क्वेश्चन इज: which is the tallest monument in the world? Which is tallest monument in the world?
Statue of Liberty.
Very good, very good.
Very good, perfect answer. And next question for email, and the question is: हज़रत आदम अलैहिस्सलाम ने सबसे पहले किसको सलाम किया?
हज़रत आदम अलैहिस्सलाम ने फरिश्तों को सलाम किया।
अगला सवाल, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टीम ए, and the question is: what is national vegetable of India? What is national vegetable of India? Question for team A.
National vegetable is pumpkin.
Very good. Answer. Next question. 14B. And the question is, what is formula of water? What is formula of water?
The formula of water H2O.
Very good, correct answer. Next question, 14C. And the question is, which are semi-vowels? Which are semi-vowels?
There are two semi-vowels, Y and W.
Correct answer. Next question, 14D. And the question is, कुरान मजीद का अंग्रेजी में तर्जुमा कब हुआ? कुरान मजीद का अंग्रेजी में तर्जुमा कब हुआ?
पंद्रह सौ इक्यानवे में कुरान मजीद का तर्जुमा।
बिल्कुल सही जवाब। अगला सवाल टीम ई के लिए। Which festival is called the festival of light? Which festival is called the festival of light?
Festival of light, Diwali.
Correct answer. And next question for F. And the question is, किस सहाबी ने जंग के लिए सारा सामान पेश किया? किस सहाबी ने जंग के लिए सारा सामान पेश किया?
अबू बकर रज़ियल्लाहु ताला ने जंग के लिए सारा सामान पेश किया।
बहुत अच्छे, सही जवाब। अगला सवाल 14A। This is a third round. Delhi is made capital in which year? Delhi is made capital in which year?
1911 Delhi made in capital of India.
Very good. Next question for team B. The question is, which month of the year has least number of days? Least number of days.
February month as the month least day.
Good answer. The next question for team C. And the question is, which is the largest river in the world? Which is the largest river in the world?
The Nile is largest river in the world.
Correct answer. Very good, correct answer. And next question for team B. Sorry, for team B. And the question is, how many days are there in 2 years? How many days are there in 2 years? Correct answer. Next word for team E. And the question is, how many hours are there in 3 days? How many hours are there in 3 days? Wrong answer. And now, question for next team. The team is here. And the question is, दुनिया में सबसे पहले अजान किसने दी? No answer. They have no answer. Now, a question for next team. And this is, why milk boiling more faster than compared water?
Milk more boiling point.
That is no answer. And next question for team B. It's a fourth round. And the question is, how many millimeters are there in 5 centimeters? In 5 centimeters.
millimeters in 5 centimeters.
Very good. Next question for team C. And the question is, it's a grammar. What is noun? What is noun?
Noun is the name of person, place, bird, or thing.
Very good. Correct answer. And next question for team D. And the question is, कौन सा पानी खड़े खड़े पी सकते हैं? कौन सा पानी खड़े खड़े पी सकते हैं?
जमजम का पानी खड़े खड़े पी सकते हैं।
करेक्ट आंसर, बिल्कुल सही जवाब। अगला सवाल अगले टीम के लिए, पांचों वक्त की नमाजों में कितनी रकातें हैं? पांचों वक्त की नमाजों में कितनी रकातें हैं? Wrong answer. Next question for team F. And the question is, where is voice box located in human body? Where is voice box located in human body?
Apple and of the wine bag.
Very good, correct answer. Next question for team A. It's a fifth round. द क्वेश्चन इज इस्लाम की मुक़द्दस किताबों के नाम बताइए। इस्लाम की मुक़द्दस किताबों के नाम बताइए।
इस्लाम की 4 मुक़द्दस किताबें हैं, तौरात, इंजील, जबूर और कुरान मजीद।
वेरी गुड, करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 14B। How many zeros are there in 100,000? How many zeros are there in 100,000?
5 zeros in 100.
Very good, correct answer. The next question for team C. And the question is, what is full form of SI unit? SI unit.
The full form of SI is International System.
Correct answer. Next question for team B. Aslan picked the sheet and the question is, what is the SI unit of temperature?
Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature.
करेक्ट आंसर, बिल्कुल सही जवाब। अगला सवाल अगली टीम के लिए, और सवाल है, जंगे बदर में मुसलमानों की तादाद कितनी थी?
जंगे बदर में मुसलमानों की तादाद 313 थी।
बिल्कुल सही जवाब। अगला सवाल टीम एफ के लिए, और सवाल, एक मच्छर की हयात कितनी है? एक मच्छर की हयात कितनी है? सही जवाब। अगला राउंड, नेक्स्ट राउंड इज 6th राउंड, and this question for team A. When is National Science Day celebrated in India every year?
February 28 celebrate Science Day.
Correct answer. And next question for team B. And the question is, दिल्ली को भारत की राजधानी कब बनाया गया है?
दिल्ली को भारत की राजधानी 1911 में बनाया गया।
बिल्कुल सही जवाब, वेरी गुड। एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टीम सी। द क्वेश्चन इज, ज़बूर अल्लाह की तरफ से किस नबी पर नाजिल हुई? ज़बूर अल्लाह की तरफ से किस नबी पर नाजिल हुई?
हज़रत दाऊद अलैहिस्सलाम पर ज़बूर नाज़िल हुई।
सही जवाब। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टीम डी, एंड द क्वेश्चन इज, which country has the most number of lakes? The most number of lakes.
Canada. Canada is the lake.
Canada have the most lakes. And the next question for TP, कुरान करीम की सबसे पहले वही और सूरत किस चीज पर लिखी गई?
कुरान की पहली वही खजूर के पत्तों पर लिखी गई।
बिल्कुल सही जवाब। अगला सवाल अगले टीम के लिए। And the question is, on which day is Janata curfew imposed to COVID-19?
In 22 March 2020.
Correct answer. Next question for team A, and this one is 7th round. And the question is, when is National Voters Day celebrated in India?
National Voters Day 26 January.
Totally wrong answer. And the next question for team B, and the question is, tell some words of WH family.
The WH family, when, why, whom, what, where.
Correct answer. And next question for the next team. The question is, टेलीफोन का आविष्कार किसने किया? टेलीफोन का आविष्कार किसने किया?
अलेक्जेंडर ग्राहम बेल ने टेलीफोन का आविष्कार किया।
Correct answer, very good. And the next question for the next team, and the team is the D. The question is, how many types of noun?
There are 4 types of nouns: proper noun, collect noun, material noun, common noun.
Correct answer. And next question for the next team, and the team is E. The question is, who was the first Muslim president of India?
First President of India, Zakir Hussain.
Correct answer. अगला सवाल, in which year Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize?
February.
I asked which year, not a date. And the question for the next team, मदीने का पुराना नाम क्या था? मदीने का पुराना नाम क्या था?
मदीने का पुराना नाम यसरब था।
वेरी गुड, करेक्ट आंसर। मेहमान नवाजी कितने दिन तक शुमार होती है? द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर द नेक्स्ट टीम, मेहमान नवाजी कितने दिन तक शुमार होती है?
मेहमान नवाजी 3 दिन तक शुमार।
सही जवाब, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टीम सी, and the question for the next team, what is minimum age required for voting in India? What is minimum age required for voting in India?
18 years is required.
Correct answer. Next question for team B, and the question is, in which direction does the sun rise?
The direction the sun rises is east.
Very good, correct answer. The next question for team E, and the question is, what is the nearest to the sun?
Mercury is nearest the sun.
Very good, correct answer. And next question for team F. The question is, how many parts of speech and which are there?
There are 8 parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction.
Very good, correct answer. The next question for team A, and this one is ninth one, right? And the question is, what do you call a type of shape that has 5 sides?
Pentagon or 5 shapes, sides of shape.
Very good. Next question for team B. सूरज सबसे पहले किस मुल्क में निकलता है?
सूरज सबसे पहले जापान देश से निकलता है।
Correct answer. Next question for team C, and the question is, which animal is known as the ship of desert?
Camel is the ship of desert.
Correct answer. And next question for the next team. And the question is, how many poles in magnet? How many poles in magnet?
Two poles in magnet.
Correct answer. And next question for next team. And the question is what is basic unit of speed? What is basic unit of speed?
मीटर पर सेकंड।
Correct answer. Next question for team F, and the question is how many types of article in grammar?
Two types of article, indefinite and definite.
Very good. There is a definite article and the indefinite article. Next question for next team. Who was the first guru of Sikh?
The first Guru of Sikh is Guru Nanak.
Correct answer. And next question for team C. And the question is सुलह हदीबिया के कातिल कौन थे?
हजरत अली रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु सुलह हुदैबिया के कातिल थे।
बिल्कुल सही जवाब।
Correct answer. Next question for team D. Which is the national river of India?
Ganga is the national river of India.
Correct answer. And next question for the next team. And the question is how many tens are there? How many tens are there?
12 tens are there.
Correct answer. And next question for last and final team, the team F. And the question is which is the biggest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean is biggest ocean.
Correct answer. Very good. These are 10 rounds, and rounds are complete. And now we enjoy the GK quiz by self, and I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.